So now what we're going to do is chord progressions. We're going to do this one today in the key of G major, but feel free to do it in any key. This is how you really learn how to play all the keys, how you get to know G major and D major, etc. So we're going to do this in G major. G major has 1 sharp. What is it? F sharp. Thank you. That was a little bit of a hint. So after you do your scales, playing the scale with every chord that in the scale, you'll find out 1 is G, 2 is A minor, 3 is B minor, 4 is C, 5 is D, 6 is E minor, 7 is F sharp diminished. Again, we're just gonna do the first 6 notes. So you're gonna put your pinky on this nice bass G, this nice low G. We're gonna start playing bass here. And in this position, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can move your thumb over to 6. And all I want you to do is pick 4 numbers. So songwriting exercise. You pick 4 numbers, 1 through 6. You can repeat numbers if you want. But this will help you to remember what all the chords are. So if I go 1, 5, 6, 4. That's a very popular chord progression. 1, 5, 6, 4. I know that my bass line, I play my bass line first. 1, 5, 6, 4. And then I get my right hand and I play the chords as well. 1, 5, 6, 4. And I memorize that. And then we're going to play some different accompaniments. We start with our Paul McCartney. I like to call this Paul McCartney because this is how he played piano all the time. You play together and then right, but I'm holding the bass note. So together, right, together, right, together, right, together. So I'm doing that chord progression. Bonus points if you can get your sustain pedal to work. Just makes it much bigger and more beautiful sounding, right? And you just do this a few times, just get it. Especially if you like the chord progression, right? So now let's think about some other things we can do with that. Well, first of all, I can play it up here. It's a little prettier, right? I mean, I could take my whole left hand and go up here. Hands are doing the same thing, it's just a different octave. Now let's try it with the second accompaniment we did today, just up and down twice. It's also very nice. You can do Alberti bass. You could also do this. You could do the top 2 notes followed by the bottom note. I like this one a lot. So we'll stop there. That's 4 accompaniments. So when you're messing around, do that. Pick some different numbers and play them. And if you like them, great, remember them. If you don't, then just try to fix them. Try to find if if you like 1, 5, 6, and 4 is not really doing it for you, try 2. 1, 5, 6, 2. 1, 5, 6, 3. Something like that. And you will guaranteed eventually find something that you think is awesome.